Hey everybody, it's Geoffrey with Tom Wood Powersports Anderson. Just kind of going over the doors on the CFMOTO that we have added that have power windows. You can simply hit a button and roll down the two front windows, or if the passengers in the rear want to roll their windows down, they can roll those down just as well. A few other things that we have added to this CFMOTO to help out with the winter time. We have added a moose cab heater. This will keep the cab nice and warm for you for those cold wintry days when you're outside working. Along with the heater, we've also done a glass windshield. With the windshield, you can add a windshield wiper, and we've also added the windshield washer fluid as well to be able to keep the windshield clean for when you're out working on those wintry, snowy days. Some other cool accessories we threw on here for just fun was the rock lights and the LED whip lights. So you can leave them run at all times, control them right from your cell phone, change the collars, make them a solid collar. But again, it's something that we just choose to add just to have fun with it. And then the last option that we have added to this here is the KFI Plow. This is a 72-inch blade. It is controlled up and down by the winch. In and out will lower it up and down for you. The only thing that you do have to get out and do is if you want to tilt the blade to go one option that has a quick pin. Once you're done using the blade for the winter time, you can simply drop these pins off, drop the front down, disconnect the winch, track the winch back in, and you're good to go like the blade was never there, and just put it back on for the next winter. When you're ready to accessorize your CFMOTO or any of your side-by-sides, just come in here to Tom Wood Powersports of Anderson. We can accessorize your old ones that you already have, or if you want to buy a new one right off the showroom floor that has all the accessories already on it, just come and see us here at the Anderson Tom Wood Powersports and we'll get you taken care of. Have a good day.